Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to book hotels or flights with booking.com. So first of all, you're gonna log in with your account, of course, and basically you can select your next dream destination. If it was one way, multi-city, economy, and how many people or individuals that you gonna bring with, right? If it was one, two, whatever it might be, right? So let's have an example. I want to have like one way, right? And I'm gonna just go ahead from my airport to let's say Spain or something like that. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and type right, let's say Spain, right? And I'm gonna select the date, right? 11 May, Saturday, right? And I'm gonna just hit search, right? And basically they're gonna show us the best and the cheapest flights and hotels there, right? So we can be careful about selecting our flight. So basically you're gonna see right here all the flights that are available in this time frame, right? And you can book it from here, and you're gonna see right here the cheapest, right? And you can just buy whatever plan that you actually see fit, right? And after you've after you take an interest in the airport, all right, or the flight that might be, and basically you're gonna be able, after you have the flight registration and paid for all, and you're gonna be able to just pay for it and then get there in the time, right? The specific time and place. So basically that's it. And after you've if you want to just go ahead and select like a stays, right? You're gonna just get back to enter the stays, and let's say I'm gonna go ahead to Spain, as we said before, right? I'm gonna just enter, let's say, Barcelona, right? And I'm gonna just enter let's say 6 May, right? And I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna just search, right? And from there you're gonna be able to see the best of the best. You're gonna see the best hotels that are available for you, that suit you, right? And basically you're gonna be able and select the plan and just do the way I did it before, right? Just select the plan. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.